Right, so we've got the car in the air now, so we can have a bit of a look under the car for the first time. So we've got quite a few oil leaks around, which we'll have to sort out as we go back together. But first thing, we've got to get the exhaust system out of the way so we can start to drop it all. So we'll give all the exhaust bolts a spray with WD because they tend to get a bit rusty and seize in there. And then we'll be able to drop this whole system. Righto, so once you've undone the bolts from the extractors, disconnected your Euro 2 sensors, we'll just have these rubber hangers. You got to take off the plate and then the bolts that hold the mufflers on. So this whole mid section doesn't have any bolts in it, it's just one piece that's factory. But even if it is bolted together, it's just easier to drop it as one piece. So this rear section on the hangers is actually on a plate and a bolt. So what we'll do, just loosen that off and we'll end up just dropping it off there quite easily. So I'm going to try and do this with one hand. But what we're going to do is drop the front end section first. Like that. And this one here. Just get them out of the way like that. So now we'll be able to give this a push backwards. Sorry, I just had to put some WD into these joints here because they were quite stuck on there and didn't want to pull off and needed both my hands for that. So now that they're loose and free, we'll drop this rubber off again. And then we're just going to grab the system. Just lower it down to the ground. Like that. So that's one end. Then we're just gonna take this nut off here. Okay, and so we'll just jiggle that plate off. And that will bring the rest of the system down like that onto the ground. So now we can start undoing the tail shaft and get this heat shield out of the way and disconnect the gear selector. And then we can start looking at undoing the main bolts to drop the whole engine out the bottom.